Hey y'all, welcome back to Hanging with the Wolfman. Well, for today's little project, gotta move that pile of old hay right there. And the tool I have chosen to use for this here job, well, that's not very focused, is it? It's gonna be this little machine right up here. Our little New Holland skid steer. Tell you what, I love this little machine right here. It's a very versatile machine. Gotta be careful with it though, it'll roll over pretty easy, so it's a pretty unforgiving machine. But alright, let's go have some fun. Give her a little bit of gas. Grab a little key. We have ignition. Working it. Not done yet, but definitely working it. Alright, well, looks a little bit better. That's about, I don't know, 15 minutes or so worth of work. I wish I had a little bit more time. Unfortunately, I got to get back up into Georgia and get a load of square bales and get back hopefully before the Easter Bunny shows up. So, alright, well, y'all have a happy Easter. Be safe. And we'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.